The built-in dishwashers are the perfect appliance for modern kitchens, as they are not only essential in cleaning utensils but also maintain the flushed and sleek view. The sleek platinum dishwasher comes with 2 cutlery organizers in which 12 different types of utensils can be placed. This basket is designed to keep all knives, forks, spoons and other pointed objects while washing. You can wash all types of oven-safe glassware and plasticware as well. Before using the dishwasher, do fill it with the recommended salt, rinse and dishwasher detergent in specified areas. Salt helps remove hardness from water, while rinse helps in preventing water drop marks getting formed in dishes, and dishwasher detergent leaves the utensils sparkling. There are 2 sprayers during the washing cycle and 3 filters: main filter, coarse filter and fine filter to prevent small food particles from going inside the dishwasher. Platinum Plus dishwasher comes with 6 washing functions. Selection of washing function needs to be done while the door of dishwasher is open. Washing Program 1. Rapid Wash. This program completes washing in about 40 minutes and consumes approximately 11.5 liters of water. Washing Program 2. 90 minutes. This program completes washing in about 90 minutes and consumes approximately 12.5 liters of water. Washing Program 3. Glass. This program completes washing in about 120 minutes and consumes approximately 14.5 liters of water. Washing Program 4. Eco. It is one of the most favorite programs often used by customers, as it saves water and energy along with washing all types of tableware. This program completes washing in about 185 minutes and consumes approximately 11 liters of water. Washing Program 5. Normal. This program completes washing in about 180 minutes and consumes approximately 15 liters of water. Washing Program 6. Intensive. This program completes washing in about 160 minutes and consumes approximately 18.5 liters of water.